Hello and welcome, I'm Tsang Kin. In this video, I'm going to guide you through my project, Integrated Common Platform for the Digital Utilization of Clinical Protocols, supervised by Professor C.S. Choi. The key motive of the project is to expedite the diagnosis process for patients. For example, the autonomous dysfunction is a common and prevalent disease affecting over 200,000 people in Hong Kong. However, investigations performed to patients are limited to less than 100 yearly amongst hospitals due to dated equipment, long time spent, and extensive labor required during tests. The need for professionals to be familiarized with the protocol also adds on to the difficulty. Therefore, for demonstrative purposes, the developed system is targeted to the diagnostic screening of autonomous dysfunctions. The new system consists of both hardware and software components. Output signals from instruments, such as heart rate measurements, will be wired out through modification to an Arduino board and relayed to the end device via wireless transmission. Hence the hardware component. The software component is a combination of data processing, from the input raw data to generate meaningful results, and also the app interface to guide the patient throughout the test. Together, the complete system will cover most of the essential parts of the protocol and thus lowering manual labor to the minimum. Following is a demonstration of the first test case of the clinical protocol, Valsalva maneuver. This involves asking the patient to exhale to the full and hold breath for 15 seconds. The RR interval of the patient is then recorded. In this test, the heart rate sensor and the spirometer will be used. To start the clinical diagnosis, an individual begins by entering the patient's name and other identification information. He is then welcomed by a control panel where he has a clear overview of all the test cases, progress of completion, and the results. Now the patient is undergoing the first test case, Valsalva maneuver. After completion of each trials, a graphical representation of the data will be presented for quick inspection. A total of 3 trials are required to complete the Valsalva maneuver test case. The individual will then be able to see the numerical results in the report page, and he is able to then proceed to the next test case, deep breathing. At the end of the day, all results will be stored in the local database. To access the database, the individual inputs the correct passcode and will be able to view all of the results in a single page. To locate a specific profile, the individual may take advantage of the search function. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.